Hi friends, this is Buddhi. I am from Chittoor district. I completed my course in NIFS Institute Visakhapatnam 2021 batch. Now I get a safety officer job in Comtech. My client is Ramco Cement, Virudhunagar, Chennai. I am happily doing this job. I am thanks to NIFS Institute Visakhapatnam and our placement manager Kalyan sir. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is K. Shanmukiran. I am from Visakhapatnam. I have studied NIFS Institute in 2016-17 batch. I have a got job in Kukuda Senior Rotobag and I have joined in Ratna Infrastructure, Kurda Road, Orissa, and I thank you very much Kalyan sir and NIFS sir. Thank you very much.